Hi, I'm Emily and I work as an apprentice in the Resources Group. Starting an apprenticeship at the National Assembly for Wales was one of the best decisions that I've ever made. This has been a great opportunity for me to develop new skills and gain experience in a working office environment. This apprenticeship scheme has helped me to earn whilst I learn. I'm gaining a recognised NVQ qualification as well as essential skills. This enables me to implement the skills I learn in college into a working environment. I'm enjoying working with and learning from others, as well as broadening my knowledge and skills. I've thoroughly enjoyed my time here so far. I feel supported and appreciated at all times and love being a part of Assembly life.
Cynulliad Cenedlaethol Cymru yw'r corff sy'n cael ei ethol yn ddemocrataidd i gynrychioli buddiannau Cymru a'i phobl, i ddeddfu ar gyfer Cymru ac i ddwyn Llywodraeth Cymru i gyfrif. I gael rhagor o wybodaeth ac i ganfod pwy sydd yn eich cynrychioli, ewch i cynulliadcymru.org neu gallwch chi'n dilyn ar Facebook a Twitter. The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.